today in this video I'm gonna do a review about a Louis Vuitton that I recently I'm gonna try and look here. I bought this Menilmontant PM, and it's a bit of damage on the piping. So what I've done is I had just the piping replaced, and I'll show you in a minute. So I got it in a box still. Ta-da! So if you are in my group, I'm looking, don't know where to look. If you are in my group, I recently posted this for sale, and the patina is medium to dark, and the only thing that was damaged was the piping here. So I had a quote for the whole leather including the strap. It's gonna be over £500. So I thought I haven't got money for that unless I want to keep it forever, because it's gonna be a shame. Anyway, it's a one-piece piping, so repair. So that's where it has connected there. It's just a one piece, and they quoted me £145. I posted it to one of the LV store, which I paid about £10 for postage and £145 for the repair. So it's quite reasonable just for that. But I showed it to my husband, and he was like, because he's not an expert. So I asked his opinion. He said, it looks like, why an LV have two different color? So it must be a fake LV. So if I wear this in public, some non-expert, or I'm not gonna say non-expert, I'm gonna say they don't know much about the brand, they're gonna say it's fake. So some people that know about the brand, that you can have it repaired, just a piece that you want it repaired, they will think, oh, she must have it repaired or replaced. Yeah, it's beautiful and smells lovely leather. I love it, I love it, I love it. If only I have the money to replace the whole leather, honestly I would have, and I will use it forever. Maybe I'll what I do, maybe I don't know, I'll think about it. How am I gonna deal with this bag? Anyway, it's the PM size. I never had the MM size. I'm gonna give you the measurement now. So it's so it's 21 centimeter, and the width is 26 centimeter. Right, 26 centimeter. The thickness is the depth at the bottom. I'm gonna check the bottom. It's 8 centimeter. So it's a crossbody, and it's got, how do you do this? I think from there to there. Okay, let me measure that one. I'm not really good at this, but shall I measure it from top to there? Yeah, and then if I don't know, is that how you do it? I think so. From there across, is that how you should measure it? Experts, like this. If it's that way, then it measures 57 centimeter, and that's the shortest That's the shortest hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 more options to get it longer, because I'm short and it's just in the middle of my hip, because I'm 5 foot, in the middle of my hip. So I might try and add some because I haven't got a mirror here. I'm gonna might add a picture including this video. But anyway, see, inside looks like this. It's got inside zip, and that's the tag, that's the, what do you call this, heat stamp, and it's really wide inside. You can put full size purse. You can put a full size purse. Let me grab a purse and put it inside. Pause the video. Wait, it didn't pause. So I just grab a full size zippy wallet or purse, put it inside. Fits perfectly inside with more room. 3 inches more room on the other side, so you can wiggle it. You can put it easily inside and outside. Take it out. So you have, for, because phones are bigger now, so you can't put your phone there, otherwise it's gonna stick out. It's got 2 medium-sized pocket outside, and the magnet is really strong. You hear that? It's really strong. So this, all the leather, the rest of the leather are still in good condition on this. It's a really, really good quality bag. I mean, it's probably like the favorite MM or PM style is a bigger style, and this is discontinued. I got this because I thought, oh, it's discontinued. I can't see any other bag like this. I mean, it's very rare to find this bag now. If you did, then they're gonna be used condition. And you know, what else can I say in this with this bag? I think the pros of this bag is easily accessed, because it's not, you know, the flap, easily accessed. You've got secure a zip pocket there, and you can put a full-size wallet or purse, or you can put a small size purse and put your bits of makeup bag and things like that. Crossbody, I like crossbody. I use crossbody more than shoulder bag, unless I have a separate bag for my children's stuffs. And I think the cons for this bag is because it's got leather there. When you wear it crossbody, this scratch on your body, the back part, the piping, so it wears more than the rest of the leather of in the bag. That's probably why I got that. When I got this, that's already cracks, you know, you can see the leather, you can see the monogram canvas already before, and now it's beautiful. But anyway, if you want the whole thing replaced, it's 500, over 500 pounds, and just the piping is 145 pounds, plus I posted it to the store, and lucky enough they gave me free shipping back, UPS. So yeah, they didn't change anything else. The date code is here. It's a 2013 CT2163 2013. Maybe if I had the whole leather replaced, they might change the date code, I don't know. And this another one is another, they didn't change that, so it really looks off, strange. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment box. You see, if I wear this in public, if you are if you will walk past me in public wearing this, what are you gonna tell me if you don't know about the brand? Can you comment in the box? So if you know about the brand and you saw me wearing this in public, what would you say? So I've got two questions for you. So, if you have any more question about this review today, just pop it in the comment and I'll get back to you. Yeah, and I'm gonna post this in my Louis Vuitton group so that those ladies, lovely ladies, will see this review. So I might do more reviews if I get time. I'm still confused because I'm using my phone and front cameras. I don't know. I'm looking at myself. I don't know where to look. You see, I'm not used to filming myself like this. Do I look there in the camera button, or do I look at myself? I don't know. Anyway, I don't wanna make this video so long. So let me know what you think about this bag. I really love this bag, but I don't know, I might sell it or not. I don't know, I'm not sure yet, but just keep an eye out. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to hear more about if you want to hear more about my videos for next time, because I'm going to do lots more reviews. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.